We do have a one-on-one coaching opportunity where we would walk you through the steps of setting that up. There's basically 5 steps I'll show you in a second. And then we get together with you. You're working with me and Yusuf personally. One of us will meet you for each meeting and we will help you figure out what that offer should be, how you're going, what you're going to set up, the content you're going to set up for it, and the your marketing, your launch, and even your scaling process. We'll help you with that. If you want it totally done for you as well, there is the option to do that. Obviously, that's way more time intensive. And but basically it walks like this. So there's 5 steps where we get together 5 times and we help you with each. As I said, the offer, set your goal and your launch plan, overall launch plan, then your content creation, which would be your creating your offer, content for your actual product, your content and stuff like that. And then it's totally at your own pace too. So you just book, you will book only one session to start. And then once you're done, like once you're ready, and we will talk to you about that, like how to know you're ready and stuff. We'll walk you through the rest. Then the promotional materials is next. Then we'll help you with your launch execution and then scaling to your next milestone. So we are happy to help you with that. There's an FAQ on this page. Yusuf can also give you the link if he hasn't already, that kind of answers a lot of the questions. But that's 5 sessions and we walk you through it. And we're going to work with you until you achieve your initial goal of making that $500 and get you on the way to your next milestone. So you can do that. There is obviously it is a much more pricier option, but if you do want something set up similar to what you saw on the anxious ability and have that whole system ready for you, where you're just going to drive the traffic, you're going to do the marketing, but all those assets are going to be set up for you, all the follow-up series and the free offer or the quiz, and then your actual product. We can put that together. We'll put that together for you. If you're using Numu, obviously we'll do the tech setup. If you're not using Numu, we can't do the tech setup. I do have to clarify that because that's the platform that we're using and it's the easiest one for us to use. So that's why we're able to do that.
And also the benefit by using New, you can literally, if we help you with the first offer and you know the structure of it, you can duplicate
You
it
can duplicate it.
and then
Yes.
just change the content of it. So
Exactly.
you'll have basically the backbone, the structure, and then you can just change the content within it. And just to say, session one, we would basically listen to what you're doing and what type of offer that you're trying to bring to the table. And then we also fact check it with the market. We look at to see that it's actually in demand. If
Yeah.
not, we'll tweak it so that it is basically out there and people are wanting something that you want to create, because otherwise
Mhm.
you're just wasting your time creating something that you don't need. And that's basically the process that we're doing. Alice and I, we basically often just go and look on what's outside and try to combine it with our knowledge and then make an offer that resembles what people need and then also what we have to give an offer.
Yeah, and the beautiful thing about it too is actually once you walk through this process once and you are building your audience too, that part about your audience is what your audience is going to buy. You're not starting from scratch every time and trying to figure it out because you'll get more insight. And you can't gain that insight until you've launched your first offer and you started building your list. Either do it if you do it with us or you do it on your own. Getting that first offer out there is key, and then having that extra marketing intelligence that Yusuf is talking about will help you get started on the right foot as well. You are working with us directly. Again, it'd be probably one of us at each session, but it is us working on it. It'll be our team that's working on the content and setup of all that stuff. And if you do register once, it says where do meetings take place. That's going to be right inside Eckett Hub University. You will sign up and you'll have your own private coaching area where you can grab the worksheet for session one, which is the worksheet for step one of the first or next $500 online. That's something good to have because you do want to you don't need to know what your idea is completely, but you should have some ideas and who it is that you want to work with, what kind of problem you're thinking of solving, so that that meeting can be productive, right? But you don't have to have it decided because that's what the purpose of the first meeting is. And you can create digital products. If it's a physical product, you will have to source that and do that. But if it's a digital product, And if it's a digital product and you do the done for you service, we actually create the product for you. If it's a service, we will help you come up with a concept and also help you figure out the best way to deliver it where it's less work for you. Because that's the key too, is when, and maybe the first time you're going through things will be a little bit more manual, but we will show you ways that, over time, as you have more experience under your belt and you know what works and what doesn't, how to streamline that service so it's a lot less work for you to offer. And then again, if you don't, I don't hit my goal, do you offer an income guarantee? Obviously, we can't do that. We can't say you're going to make this, but because that would be illegal to say that you can make it by doing this. But we're going to work with you until you get there. The reason it's called the Your First or Next $500 online toolkit is because it's a doable thing. Like, you're not investing too much into it. You are getting it out there, you're getting results, and you're going to move from there. But we will work with you until you've reached that goal for sure. And beyond it too. You guys know we're always around. You can come to the community anytime and keep getting help. And then how long it would take, I guess it depends. It really, because it's at your pace. It really depends. It could take, I would say, if you're just doing the coaching, could be up to 5 to 7 weeks. If you are going quickly, it may take a little bit longer, and that's okay. But the accountability is there, right? So we know what step you're on, and you won't be able to schedule your next meeting until you've completed the homework for the previous step. So you are working towards getting this done. And we'll follow up with you too. And you drop off a little, we'll have to see what's going on and get you back on track as well. And just give you an idea about the done for you service option in case somebody wanted to do that. And there are payment plans available too if you go click through that link. But you get all the 5 sessions, right? And it's your schedule, obviously, but more at our pace, right? Because we will probably need 2 weeks for the delivery of the content and up to 2 weeks to set up the marketing materials. So it could take probably 7 to 9 weeks if you were zooming through everything. Then you would have something fully, totally ready. And you can see on the FAQ what's included in the done for you service, because we're going to help you obviously finalize your offer, your goal, your launch plan. We're going to create the content and documents you need to deliver your digital product or service. We'll create your sales pages, your opt-in page, your thank you pages, your members area, and follow-up emails. And again, if if you're not using Numu, we could still create all that content for you. But if you're using Numu, we'll also do the full tech setup with the above items as well. And if you already have an existing Numu website, as I mentioned to you, that we've made it so you can incorporate it. So we can incorporate into your existing website. Then we'll create your launch materials, but you will deliver them to your audience, right? You're going to manage your own launch. You're going to do your traffic and stuff. And then once your launch is done, we will make your launch evergreen, and so that you can continue to promote it and then make your plan to scale to your next milestone. Think about it. If it's something that's right for you, we'd love to work with you, and we'll keep working with you until it's done. It's at your pace, but it's something that we're here. We really want you to be accountable for getting it done, right? If you're going to sign up for something like this and deciding later that you don't want to do it, it's not good for you. And also, we invest a lot of time into this and preparing and stuff like that. So we really just want to make sure that you're following through and you're getting a result from this. And there are some payment plans. Again, if you click through and you see what you want, there are some there. But please note, if you do choose a payment plan, then the meetings might have to be spread out a little bit more depending on where you are in making your payments. But we could talk about that after you're signed up, like what the schedule would look like. And if you have questions between the meetings, there is a place in your members area. There, like the one that's private to you, there's a shared notes area, and you can put your notes, you can upload things that you want us to see and stuff like that there. And if you have any questions when the meetings are all completed, you've walked through the live process, obviously we're always there to help. Just ask, and we're going to point you to where you need to go. And I do think, like, the offer and its 5 actual sessions and preparation and stuff that we're going to put into it is a kind of a crazy good price. It is a big investment. I understand that, but also for the time that we're putting into it, it is not something that you see very often with that much time investment. But so there's no catch to it except for what we're trying to do also is to document more success stories like yours under our belt. So all we ask is that if you sign up at this awesome price, and we'd like to get started on the sites and stuff, that you let us share your progress as a case study. But I will say that we are here, we're going to protect your privacy as much as you'd like. If you don't want your personal information or your domain, we don't want people looking at the site. Whatever you're comfortable with, we'll share, but we want to be able to share it in a way that respects your privacy because we want more people to be inspired to do this. I think we're living in an age where we went from where it was easy to build an online business and it's a lot more challenging. There's a lot more noise. There's a lot of more distractions and stuff. So we know that we have a really good method here for people to do this. So we want to inspire as many people as we can to also get on board to see that this is better than trying to hit the lottery of YouTube or Instagram or TikTok or something and keep it consistent or even monetizing that kind of stuff. You can still do that, right? But when you've got a core asset like this with an offer and a way to grow your list, when you do grow your audiences on those platforms, you can monetize. Most people who have large audiences on social media don't actually know how to monetize. They try, but they don't have it dialed. You'll have it dialed in. So we would love to help you set that up and would love to help more people set it up. So that's why we'd love to share your story in a way that you'll always feel comfortable with. And so if you have any questions too, we are happy to answer them now. And you can also reach out to us at ekit@ekithub.com. All right. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you, Yusa.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
All right. Take care, everyone. See you in the coaching sessions.